Alright guys, so here is the cursed clover. There's the head. This is the gearbox that controls the mouth on the cursed clover. As you can see, this gear split right down the center. Alright, as you can see, I had some alcohol here. I used a Q-tip, I wiped it all down, and this should be nice and clean. As you can see, it is one piece now. And here is the washer. And that's nice and snug in there. Alright, so I went ahead and put the spring on here. Alright.
Fortune favors the bold. And I choose this fortune. Yeah.
Huh, that's okay.